place called Kokomo. That's where you wanna go to get away from it all. Bodies in the sand, tropical drink melting in your hand. We'll be falling in love to the rhythm of a steel drum band. Down in Kokomo, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take it to Bermuda, Bahama. Come on, pretty mama, Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go down to Kokomo? You can make it fast and then we'll take it slow. That's where we wanna go. We down in Kokomo. Martinique, that Montserrat mystique. We'll put out to sea, and we'll perfect our chemistry. By and by we'll defy a little bit of gravity.
Anyway, here, I've got Anna on there. Let me join her. Hold on.
After windy light,
You guys there?
tales and wonderment,
Hey, Anna, are you there?
that dreamy look
I just watched a yacht slam into the bridge. That's really cool. Actually, it's stuck under the bridge now. Anyway, is Miami online? I might just rest right there. It's the railroad tracks up there. Wow. What if a boat would fall through?
Everybody knows a little place like Kokomo. Now if you wanna go and get away from it all,
Oh, it's gonna hit that. Oh, I can't believe it. Can't believe those boats. Look at that yacht slamming into those there.
Oh, that's like
Oh, that one's going fast too. Oh, look how fast it's going.
oh, it's just lines cut on that.
Oh, dude, I can't believe that. The bow is like swinging around. It's gonna slam into the guard tower area. Oh, dude, this is gonna be damage. Here it goes. Oh, something hit. That's, yeah, it's a really big boat. It's one of the biggest ones. Yeah, it's stuck under the bridge now. It's one of the biggest ones here. And it's just like, yeah. some serious damage. Look at all the windows, they're just kind of rippling. Look at that. Just documents. Everything is shimmering like that.
Miami, South Beach, bringing the heat.
That building's really getting destroyed.
Jig it out. Here I am in the place where I come let go. In Miami, the base and the sunset low. Every day like a Mardi Gras. Everybody party all day, no work, all play, okay? So we sip a little something, let it rest the spell. Me and Charlie at the bar running up a high bill, nothing less than ill.
building
When we
got
dress to
trashed.
kill. Every time the ladies pass, they be like,
this is really a
all
mess.
ages and races, real sweet faces, every different nation, Spanish, Haitian, Indian, Jamaican,
where's
black,
this guy?
Cuban, or Asian. I only came for 2 days of playing, but every time I come, I always wind up staying. This the type of town I can spend a few days in. Miami, the city that keeps the roof blazing.
As a category 1 storm.
Bouncing in the club with the heat is on all night on the beach till the break of dawn.
I'm going to Miami. Yo, I heard the rainstorms ain't nothing to mess with, but I can't feel a drip on the strip. It's a trip. Ladies have dress full of your quip, and they be screaming out. So I'm thinking I'ma scoop me something hot in this South Summer rain gay mountain pot. Hottest club in the city, and it's right on the beach. Temperature, get the it's about to reach 500 degrees in the Caribbean seas with the hot mommy.
Building's missing side of
Every time I come to town, they be spotting me in the drop Bentley, ain't no stopping me. So cashing your dough and flow to this fashion show. Pound for pound, anywhere you go. Yo, ain't no city in the world like this. And if you ask how I know, I got to plead the fifth.
This building is missing the side of it.
I'm going to Miami. Don't get me wrong, Chi-Town got it going on, and New York is the city that we know don't sleep. And we all know that LA and Philly stay jiggy, but on the snake, Miami bringing heat for real. Y'all don't understand. I never seen so many Dominican women with sentiment tans. Mira, this is the plan. Take a walk on the beach, draw a heart in the sand. Give me your hand, damn, you look sexy. Let's go to my yacht in the West Keys, ride my jet skis, lounge under the palm trees. Cause you gotta have cheese for the summer house peace on South Beach. Water so clear you can see to the bottom. $100,000 cars, everybody got them. Ain't no surprise in the club to see slides. Still on Miami, my second home.
Would you like to be the insurance company that insured this thing?
No.
I'm going to Miami.
Look at that.
The guy's waving to the camera.
This is romantic.
Blondie?
Yeah.
Look at that car.
Miami.
Oh, wow.
That car is up another car. Wow, how'd that happen?
Big pimpin', baby. Big pimpin', spinach. Feel me? You know I thug 'em, love 'em, leave 'em, 'cause I don't need 'em. Take 'em out the hood, keep 'em looking good, but I don't feed 'em. First time they fuss, I'm breezing. Talking about what's the reasons. I'm a pimp in every sense of the word. Better trust and believe 'em. In the cut where I keep 'em, till I need to be the guts, then it's beep beep, and I'm picking 'em up, let 'em play with the truck. Many chicks wanna put jigger fists in cup, divorce 'em and split his bucks. Just because you got good, I'ma break bread so you could be living it up. Did I pass with nothing? Y'all be frontin'. Me give my heart to a woman, not for nothing, never happen. I'll be forever macking. Hard cold as assassins. I got no passion, I got no patience, and I hate waiting. Choke, and then let's ride.
out there to take pictures because there's glass. There's
Oh,
glass
yeah.
up here. I don't want to. Art buildings. While I'm singing, Lord, 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 every night we have some trouble. When we were down here, I have to say that being in that storm was one of the strongest storms that I've actually been in. Covered a hurricane like storm and get there.